there are some people living here already.
Good day, viewers. I'm your rector, Bright Jukes. Yeah, this place now is where one of our estates is located, Oak Haven. As you can see, this is Pan Atlantic University. At the back of this place is where Oak Haven is located. And
do you check timing of your listing? How long you can list?
Now,
it just went off.
Check. Do you still have space?
I have space.
Maybe press the sensor. Okay. So this is Pan Atlantic University, and this is how far the work is going. You know, I did video last 2 weeks.
We're on our way to Green Heavens Estate.
So you can see the work is still going on, and we have lovely estates. This place.
Lekki Junction. We are heading to.
This is Pan Atlantic University permanent site.
PAU, Pan Atlantic University, and this other side. You can see the road construction.
Yeah, this is the entrance of the school.
It's the 6 lane.
This is the entrance of Pan Atlantic University.
By my right hand side is the BRT section, which is being constructed currently.
This is Eleganza Industry. Let me just do the video from the back so you can see.
Eleganza Industry.
Okay. So you can see how the road looks like. They are doing a fantastic job here. You can see the trucks. Okay, they are using for the work, and so please, if you want any property here in these ASICs, the ones that has a station, don't forget to call me 0803606 4974. Let me repeat the number again, 0803606 4974, and I will take you for free site inspection. Okay, I'm heading to Green Haven, and I just passed Oak Haven, and I just passed MN Estate. If you're going Hosanna Gardens, if you're going right rather, to Ibeju Lekki, so you still pass this road. So this is where the proposed Lekki International Airport is coming, and so this is the part of Ibeju Lekki. This is the part of Ibeju Lekki, the proposed international airport that is going to be signed the contract by December. This is where it's coming. And this road you're seeing leads to Alaro City and St. Augustine University.
By December.
So now is the best time.
Honestly, no, all these constructions are actually in place because of the Dangote refinery.
You can see how the place looks like.
And I think by December it's going to start production.
When do you think is the best time for you to invest here? Is now.
In a very short period of time.
It's now.
Some investments on these lines really massive. Oak Haven is really close to this place, and it's just a few minutes off the road. Same with.
You can see the kind of work that is going on here.
Also,
so we have properties here that are selling for
currently
6.5 million,
currently at 2 million. But in a very
2
short
million
while,
that has a
this same
station.
land will begin to touch 20 million, 30 million.
Is now not the best time for you to invest in this
So this is
place?
actually a time to invest. You can see the construction is still on.
Okay, they said if you want to see a tree grow big in 10 years, 15 years, plant that tree now. Get a plot in this place. Don't say I missed this place. I saw the video when they were this road was constructed. They were constructing this road, and this were going on. Things were going on this side. Things that no.
It's time to invest.
This is the right time for you to invest in this place. This road leads to Epe, Ejabode, and if you're going back, this way, okay, leads to Lekki, VI, Ikoyi, Aja, Obramadesoya, VGC. So do yourself a good favor and put your money in real estate in these ASICs.
This is the place you
Please. So call me for any property. What our properties are here: Green Heaven, Oak Heaven, with a session. And I'm going to Green Heaven right now. So that's why I'm doing this video, for you to see. And they are casting the road, as you can see. It's not just ordinary road, they are casting the road. They are doing a fantastic job in this area. Okay. So Lekki Epe expressway that leads to Epe, they are doing a very fantastic job. And I believe everybody knows that it's because of the airport that is going to be signed by December, if not January next year. So call me 08036064974 and we'll take you for free site inspection in all these properties that is located in this area. I'm your rector, Bright Jukes. Okay. Yeah. It's a nice job. It's a nice job. It's a nice job. They are trying. They are working here day and night. Yeah, we are about to enter the bridge. You know, that leads to. So there will be another testing this side. See where they have stopped so far. So they will do another bridge the other side. This one now we just entered this bridge. There will be another one by the right side, this side. So you can see. So there will be another one this side. There will be another one this side.
When I get close to that place, I'll start.
So if we get them, so if we get down from this bridge now, in fact from this bridge, Green Heaven is not far, and while at the back, Oak Heaven is not far. So these two estates are very, very lovely, and it has a session. Okay, it has a session title. Don't forget to call for inquiry 08036064974 for free site inspection. So yeah. It's raining, it's pouring, it's showering, it's raining. So we are on inspection ride. On inspection ride. People are going to Green Heaven to invest in Green Heaven because now is the best time to invest in these estates. So they're going to do another bridge to continue the road, because at the front too they're still working. So this is the bridge. They can start doing the bridge and this thing. They will, after this thing, the bridge construction, it will be the last construction here, so they can link it to the road. So they're going to do bridge this side, and they're going to do another one this side to link the whole thing together. Yeah. So we are moving a bit slow because of the weather, the rain. And there's a truck at front. If not, by now we should have been out of the bridge. So all these places, Ibeju Lekki LGA, all these places is Ibeju Lekki LGA. And if you want any property in Ibeju Lekki, don't fail to call me. Both the ones that has a session, register survey and deed of assignment, or C of O. Don't fail to contact me. 08036064974. I'm Bright Jukes, your rector. Yeah, we are about to get off from the bridge. Now from this bridge, as you're about to, now this is where the bridge stops. I just want to show you something, then I will tell you the minutes from here. You see the road construction still going on from here. So there's a bit hold up. Just want to show you something. Now you see, I started this video from a Lekki Junction down to this place. Now you see this is where the bridge stops. From this side now, this end, you can see from this side now, they are going to get this bridge again. So they will connect to this other road, because there's going to be another bridge by this side I'm pointing. Okay. Now from this place to where Green Heaven is located, to get to the land Green Heaven, if you're driving straight now, I'm going to turn my video. Okay, the road still continues, don't forget. Now from this place now to where Green Heaven is located is 13 minutes drive. If not that, we may meet a bit hold up on the road. I would have loved to do the video to Green Heaven. From this place now to where Green Heaven is 13 minutes drive. Okay, so it's not far and it's by the road. It's just a stone throw by the road. From this express now, this road they are doing constructing, you will be seeing from Green Heaven, you'll be seeing this road, you'll be seeing cars, because it's just like you're driving into, let's say, a minute drive. You just drive a minute or 2 minutes, just driving, and you get to Green Heaven Estate. Wow. These people are doing a fantastic job here. This is how they should be walking road in Nigeria. So it won't spoil again. This is how they should be. People are complimenting this road so much. They are complimenting this road so much. So we are heading down to Green Heaven. We are heading down to Green Heaven Estate in Ibeju Lekki, Ilameja, precisely. Okay. So call me with the number I've been calling. Yeah. They're doing a fantastic job. So we are in Okogun, Lekki town now, in Ibeju Lekki, Okogun. If you're passing, if you're going to Epe, they are really doing a wonderful job here. So while I'm with my clients, I'm still doing this video for those of you in diaspora and in Nigeria as well. So you can see, if you're in diaspora, you're in Nigeria, this road is fantastic. And this is where we are going to have the proposed Lekki International Airport. That is going to be more beautiful than every other airport in Nigeria. So they have to start everything they are doing solid. That's why they start this solid road, this solid job. Wow. You can see my client is even doing his own video. They are doing a fantastic job here. This is a police station here. This is how they should be doing roads in Nigeria, so that we do it once and for all. We do the road. We do the road once and for all. What you do road today, next year you do another one, the same road. It's not good. It's not good. We've been governor of other states, and in fact, if we can be walking like this in all the roads in Nigeria, I think road issues will be solved gradually. Because by the time you do road like this for once, and you won't do it again, it's not going to spoil. That one you will use and walk it like 2-3 times. Use it and face another place. You know, when you're doing something and people are complimenting it, it shows that you're doing a nice job. So that is why they are complimenting this road.
That's why when you see something,
You can't really move fast because the road they are working on it. my space. My space. I'm running out of space in my phone. Too many videos in my phone. So this is the best time for investment in this place.